Remove the top packaging corner protectors with a tool. Cut the tape and open the outer carton. Take out and read the quick start guide and safety guidelines. Remove the inner filling materials from the carton. With assistance, lift out the machine and place it on a flat and stable desktop. Remove the moisture-proof bag and the body protective film. Open the machine protective cover. It will automatically hold and fix when opened to a nearly vertical position. Take out all accessories from the compartment. Remove the compartment foam. Unboxing is complete. Z1 comes standard with a material accessory kit and a tool kit. The material accessory kit contains a machining materials, double-sided tape, and wired probe, a stop button, sanding block, lubricant, 1/8 inch collet rings, USB cable, safety goggles, 3D touch probe, and power cord. The toolkit contains L bracket, top clamp, and spindle collet installer, hex screwdriver bits, multifunction screwdriver, and milling cutter, collet ring installer, M5 screws, and 4mm locating pins.